Hello, today I will tell you a story about Joe. Listen carefully and try to understand. Joe wakes up in the morning, but today is different. His alarm rings, but Joe does not wake up. He is very tired. He sleeps again. After some time, Joe opens his eyes. He looks at his phone. "Oh no," he says. "It is very late." Joe jumps out of bed. He is in a hurry. He goes to the bathroom quickly. He washes his face. He does everything very fast. Joe goes to the kitchen. He wants to drink coffee. He makes his coffee quickly, but his hand moves too fast. The coffee spills. "Oh no," Joe says again. Now the table is dirty. Joe feels a little angry. He cleans the table quickly, but he is still late. Joe gets dressed fast. He puts on his clothes, he takes his bag, and he leaves the house. Outside, the weather is not nice. It is cold and a little rainy. Joe walks fast. He does not feel good. Joe arrives at work, but he is late. His boss looks at him. "Joe, you are late today," the boss says. Joe feels nervous. "I'm sorry," Joe says. Joe sits at his desk. He starts working. But today is not easy. He cannot focus. Joe makes a small mistake, then another mistake. He feels more stressed. "This is not my day," he thinks. At lunchtime, Joe sits alone. He eats quietly. He looks tired. He checks his phone. He sees a message from his friend. "Hey Joe, are you okay?" Joe smiles a little. He writes back, "Not really. Today is a bad day." After lunch, Joe goes back to work. He tries again. This time, he works slower. He is more careful. Little by little, things get better. He fixes his mistakes. He finishes his work. In the evening, Joe leaves work. He feels tired but calm. He walks home slowly. At home, Joe sits on his bed. He takes a deep breath. He thinks about his day. "Yes, today was a bad day," he says. "But tomorrow can be better." Joe turns off the lights. He lies down. He closes his eyes. And slowly, he falls asleep. Now it's your turn. Do you have bad days like Joe? What do you do on a bad day? Do you rest or do you try again? And don't forget to subscribe for more English stories every week.